In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert short date in Excel. This is a quick and useful formatting skill that helps make dates look clean, consistent, and easier to read in your spreadsheet. If you already have dates entered in Excel and you want them displayed in a standard short date format, this process only takes a moment. First, open Excel and go to the worksheet where your dates are located. Make sure the file you want to work on is already open, or create a new sheet if you're practicing. This method works best when the values in the cells are already recognized by Excel as dates. Next, select the cell or range of cells containing the date you want to format. If you're changing just one date, simply click that cell. If you want to apply the same format to multiple dates at once, click and drag across the range you want to update. Selecting the correct cells first is important because Excel will only apply the formatting to what you've highlighted. Once your dates are selected, go to the Home tab at the top of the Excel window. The Home tab contains many of the most commonly used formatting tools, including number and date formatting options. In the number group, find the number format drop-down list. This is the menu that controls how values appear in the selected cells. Even though the actual value in the cell stays the same, the display can be changed to match the style you want. Click the drop-down list to open the available formatting choices. From that list, select short date. As soon as you click it, Excel will format the selected values using your system's default short date format. Depending on your regional settings, that might appear as month, day, and year, or day, month, and year. The exact layout can vary, but it will still be the standard short date style set on your device. And that's it. Your selected dates are now displayed in short date format. A helpful tip to keep in mind is that this changes the appearance of the date, not the underlying data itself. So if you use those dates in formulas, sorting, or filtering, Excel will still treat them as proper date values. This makes short date formatting a great option when you want your spreadsheet to look more organized without affecting how the data works behind the scenes. That's how to insert short date in Excel.